What's up guys? Welcome back to Virtuallyvids. Today, we're going to tackle a punctured tire and show you how to fix it yourself using a puncture repair kit. Let's get started. We start off by using a bottle jack to jack up the vehicle. Remember to use the best possible contact point. Once the vehicle is in the air, loosen the bolts and remove the tire. In my case, I have a nail that has gone through. Use a pair of pliers to pull the nail out. Once the nail is out, we bring forth our repair kit. I will be using this Shield tubeless repair kit. It works well and is pretty cheap. If you forget what to do, the instructions are on the back. Step 1. Push the sharp screw prong into the hole. Use a twisting action as you push. This makes the hole wide enough for a plug. Once you can move the prong around fairly easily, remove it and prepare for Step 2. Step 2. Like a needle and thread, push the plug through the hole in the prong. This might take some effort. Once the plug is in, pull it so that it has even length on both sides of the prong. Open your tube of glue and apply to all sides of the plug. Doing this step properly ensures the air leak will be tightly sealed. I like to apply a bit of glue to the tire itself to help the bonding process. Step 3. Force the plug into the hole using the prong. Push hard until the plug sticks out only a couple of centimeters. Quickly pull the prong out. This will leave behind your fix. Take a sharp knife and cut off the excess plug and throw the bits away. Put your tire back on the car and tighten up the bolts. Don't forget to make them tight. If your tire comes off, this repair kit can't sort out the damages. You've just done it. I now plug in my tire pump. This one is also pretty cheap to buy. It won't substitute a garage pump, but it is good enough for an on-the-road fix. If you are in the middle of nowhere, this kit is perfect to get you up and running again. No need to call for backup or help. Just fix the tire yourself and carry on. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next video.